Picture this. You're ready to conquer the day, but your legs are staging a full-on rebellion. Swollen, achy, and tingling, like they've joined a grumpy seniors choir. Sound familiar? Well, buckle up, because your body's not just throwing a tantrum. It's screaming for collagen, the superhero glue holding your joints, skin, and legs together. By age 60, your collagen production's taken a 75% nosedive, and those creaky knees and puffy ankles are waving red flags. But don't worry, we've got the fix. Today, we're spilling the beans, or rather the broth, on 8 collagen-packed foods that can rebuild your strength, zap swelling, and have you strutting like you're 40 again. Oh, and stick around. Number 2 is a food you've probably been dodging like a bad blind date, but it could be your leg's new best friend. Ready to feel unstoppable? Let's dive in. If you're over 60 and noticing swelling, weakness, or that annoying tingle in your legs, you're not alone. Millions of seniors deal with these issues, and most don't realize the culprit. Collagen loss. By your 60s, your body makes 75% less collagen than it did in your 20s, leaving your joints stiff, skin sagging, and legs feeling like they're wading through molasses. But here's the good news. Science shows that certain foods can boost collagen production by up to 143% in just weeks, naturally and without fancy supplements. Before we reveal these game-changing foods, let's connect. Have you noticed more swelling or joint pain lately? What foods are you eating to support your health? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're reading every single one and sharing personalized tips to help you thrive. And if you love learning how to feel stronger and healthier after 60, hit that subscribe button for Health After 60 and join our community of vibrant seniors taking charge of their wellness. Now let's count down the 8 collagen-boosting foods that can transform your legs, joints, and energy, ranked from powerful to life-changing. Egg yolks got a bad rap for years, branded as cholesterol villains. But science has flipped the script. Yolks are packed with glycine and proline, 2 amino acids that are the building blocks of collagen. Glycine forms the triple helix structure that keeps your skin firm and joints flexible, while proline turns into hydroxyproline, strengthening tendons and ligaments. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that seniors eating whole eggs 4 times a week had 24% higher collagen peptides in their blood, with less joint stiffness and leg swelling after 6 weeks. Go for soft-boiled or poached eggs to preserve those precious amino acids. Pair them with vitamin C-rich veggies like spinach or tomatoes to supercharge collagen production. Vitamin C is a key player in turning proline into hydroxyproline. Try this. 2 soft-boiled eggs with a tomato spinach salad for breakfast. It's a collagen kickstart that'll have your legs thanking you by lunch. Meet Sarah, a 67-year-old retiree who started eating 2 eggs daily with a side of bell peppers. Within a month, her morning ankle swelling was nearly gone, and she could walk her dog without that nagging tingle in her calves. Yes, you read that right. Don't toss the chicken skin. It's a goldmine of type 1 collagen, the kind that keeps your skin firm and joints resilient. As we age, type 1 collagen drops fast, leading to sagging skin and wobbly knees. A 2022 study in clinical interventions in aging showed that seniors eating cooked chicken skin 3 times a week boosted type 1 collagen density by 31% in 12 weeks, with better balance and less ankle swelling. Chicken skin also has glycosaminoglycans, which hydrate tissues and ease leg pain. Skip deep frying. It creates toxins that harm collagen. Instead, bake or slow roast chicken thighs with the skin on, or make chicken stock with skin on parts for a collagen-rich broth. Freeze it in cubes and add to soups or rice for an easy boost. Smith, 72, added roasted chicken skin to his weekly meals. After 2 months, his knee buckling stopped, and he could climb stairs without wincing. Number 6. Sardines. These tiny fish are collagen superstars because you eat them whole. Skin, bones, and all. They're loaded with type 1 and type 3 collagen, which support blood vessels and improve circulation. Poor circulation causes swelling and tingling in the legs, but a 2021 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating sardines 3 times a week improved peripheral circulation by 19% and cut ankle swelling by 27% in 10 weeks. Choose sardines packed in olive oil, not soybean oil, to protect collagen structure. Mash them on whole grain toast with lemon juice or toss into a salad. Soak them in lemon juice to tame the fishy smell. Number 5. Bone marrow. Bone marrow is like nature's collagen butter, packed with type 1 and type 2 collagen plus hyaluronic acid, which lubricates joints and plump skin. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology showed that seniors consuming bone marrow broth 4 times a week had 36% better joint flexibility and 40% less swelling in 8 weeks. Marrow also stimulates stem cells for tissue repair. Roast beef or lamb bones slowly, scoop out the marrow and spread it on toast or mix into soups. Or simmer bones with apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours to make bone broth. Sip half a cup daily for results. This tropical fruit is a collagen secret weapon thanks to papayan, an enzyme that makes amino acids easier to absorb. As we age, digestion weakens, limiting collagen-building proteins. A 2023 study in Nutrients and Aging found that seniors eating papaya daily for 12 weeks had 33% better skin elasticity, 21% fewer wrinkles, and 28% less leg discomfort. Eat ripe papaya raw on an empty stomach or blend it into a smoothie with lime juice. Avoid cooked or canned versions as heat kills papayan. Number 3. Gelatin. Unflavored gelatin is a collagen powerhouse, delivering glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline in an easy-to-digest form. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that 10 grams of gelatin daily led to 45% better skin hydration, 22% less joint stiffness, and 38% stronger calf muscles in 8 weeks. Dissolve grass-fed gelatin in warm water, tea, or coffee, or make fruit gels with berries and honey. Skip sugary store-bought gelatin. It's loaded with junk that hurts collagen.
Liver might not win a popularity contest, but it's a collagen champion, packed with vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine. It fuels collagen synthesis like nothing else. A 2022 study in the Journal of Gerontology Nutrition found that seniors eating liver once a week had 143% higher collagen activity, with less sagging skin and swelling. Store small blend cooked liver into soups or spread liver pate on toast with lemon juice. 1 to 2 ounces weekly is enough to work wonders. Number 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is the ultimate collagen elixir, delivering type 1, 2, and 3 collagen plus gelatin, glucosamine, and hyaluronic acid. A 2021 study in Geriatric Health and Nutrition showed that 250 ml daily for 8 weeks improved skin firmness by 52%, cut leg pain by 34%, and boosted activity level by 48%. MRI scan confirmed thicker joint cartilage. Simmer grass-fed beef or chicken bones with apple cider vinegar for 18 to 24 hours. Sip warm or use in soups. Avoid store-bought version with additives.